I don't know how I am feeling. I think I feel all right. I am busy doing nothing from morning until night. I don't know how I am feeling. I left the house today. I went to do some shopping. I sang along the way. I don't know how I am feeling. I gave the bags to mom. We smiled and laughed, and she was fine. Then I went back home. I don't know how I am feeling. Today I am not too sure. The numbers keep on climbing. Will they find a cure? I don't know how I am feeling. I just don't need this stuff. Some cake and wine and chocolate. But boy, this thing is tough. I don't know how I am feeling when I stand and clap so loud, so grateful, happy and so sad in the isolated crowd. I don't know how I am feeling. When will that dream job come? I am optimistic, hopeful, and luckier than some. I don't know how I am feeling. I saw the news today, but only very briefly. Why won't it go away? I don't know how I am feeling. I don't know if I am sad. My friends and family, they are all fine. For that, I am so glad. I don't know how I am feeling, but this I know is true. We are all in this together. It's me and them and you. Do you know how you are feeling? You know that it's okay to sit and cry and wonder, to want a better day. Let's just hold this feeling. Let's just hold this feeling of love, of light, of hope. Let's relish all the quiet. Be proud of how you cope. I don't know how I'm feeling. I think I want to cry. I don't. I make a coffee and stare out at the sky. Today I got the feeling that soon this will be done. Our lives will change forever. But look up at the sun. You know that deep down feeling of joy, of loss, of pain. The love, the sadness, and the hurt. You will be okay again. One day we will get that feeling. Was all this even real? Hold on to that feeling. In time, we will all heal.